Today, SBM evaluators may present to you our best practices in the new normal education with its 170 teaching and non-teaching personnel. We are working hand in hand in fulfilling DepEd mission, vision, and core values. Everyone is committed to produce quality learners amidst the pandemic crisis we are currently facing. Education must continue. With this, Tacurong National High School strengthens and embraces contextualized basic education learning continuity plan or BELCP to pursue the delivery of learning possibilities in new normal education amidst the pandemic crisis. TNHS participated the region-wide pilot testing of different learning modality approach. The school's initiative, strategies and action, and services in supporting the said program was recognized by DepEd Philippines. With the collective efforts, division leadership, school admin and ICT teachers, learning management system was successfully embraced as leading learning modality. TNHS is one of the first schools in the region who utilize the said system have reached the peak of 3,585 student users, hitting the target of 50 to 70% of our learners. Overwhelmingly diminish the printing of modules. The success story of embracing LMS was featured again in the DepEd Philippines. TNHS also received the CSDT's recognition and award as Best Implementer of Learning Management System during the 2020 Education Night. To ensure the quality and efficiency of LMS, we have successfully conducted a research entitled Learning Management System and its End-User Acceptance. The central office as the result and may be used as one of the bases of online asynchronous learning delivery. Another DepEd Philippines recognized initiative and project, which are Project Ambagan PBB, is relief project initiated and supported by school administration to provide relief to the families affected by Typhoon Ulysses. This project seeks to bring the Bayanihan spirit by sharing a part of their year-end bonus. Project Bulig Tacurong is a collaborated project that aims to unite different volunteers, student leaders, and organizations to work tirelessly for a 3-day donation drive. Project Mobile Learning Connect, or known as Project ML, a project that delivers learning services to students experiencing difficulties in distance learning. Learner skill and innovation had been always supported by TNHS. CAR Sordilia Automated Hand Washing Facility, Sumpit, bring pride and honor to the school. The success story was featured on national television UNTV, and the school currently uses the said facilities as well as public places of the city of Tacurong. Participation of World No Tobacco Day, an entry prayer of TNHS student Pia Glaire Gonzaga, bagged as first place and featured in DepEd Tayo Youth Formation FB page. Kalingawan Festival and Flamboyance of Masterpieces was successfully launched, virtually aims to showcase the full potentials of learners to attain holistic development. The activity helps the learners to take a break from their academic requirements and to foster sense of unity, collaboration, and sportsmanship. The talent of the teachers was also recognized in the field of broadcasting. Field reporters Lawrence C. Aduca and Annie Rose T. Sakhatane awarded as Best News Reporter. Another school-initiated innovation named RegisClick 2.0, contextualized system for automated record system of students' information, profiling, and scholastic record was launched in Tacurong National High School. Education in new normal is full of challenges, but it will teach each of us to remain steadfast, to continue to improve in our ability to teach, and to continue promoting quality education. Tracking of learners and monitoring of learners' performance is our highest concern. Through TNHS, vigorous shoulder, teachers' dedication, and untiring support of stakeholders. Here, at TNHS, we deliver learning possibilities.